In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Salesforce with QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in QuickBooks Online to find the official Salesforce connector and start the setup with confidence. First, open QuickBooks Online in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct company file. If you manage multiple companies, double-check you're in the one you want to connect to Salesforce so your data lands in the right place. On the top right area of the QuickBooks screen, look for the Integrations option. Depending on your layout, it may appear alongside other tools. This is your starting point for adding approved apps to extend QuickBooks. Click Integrations to open the Integrations hub. From here, select Find Integrations. This takes you into the app browsing experience where you can search and filter to locate the tool you need. Using the search bar, type Salesforce. Keep it simple, just the product name is enough. This narrows the results to connectors and apps that work with Salesforce. In the results, locate Salesforce Connector by QuickBooks. This is the official option built and supported by the QuickBooks team, which helps ensure reliable syncing and ongoing compatibility. Click into the app card to view its details. It's a good idea to skim the overview so you understand what data types it can sync and any prerequisites or limitations that may apply to your region or plan. A quick but important note: if your QuickBooks account is not on an active paid plan, integration will be unavailable. Trials, suspended subscriptions, or restricted roles can block access. If you see a message about plan requirements, verify your billing status or ask your company admin to adjust your access. Having admin-level permissions in QuickBooks typically makes this process smoother. When you're ready, click Get Integration Now. This begins the process with the official connector. At this point, you're starting the setup flow from inside QuickBooks, which is the safest and most straightforward place to do it. Keep an eye on any prompts that appear and be sure you're working in the correct company file before proceeding. A couple of tips before we wrap up. Confirm that the connector you choose is the official Salesforce connector by QuickBooks. That helps avoid third-party confusion. If your organization has approval policies for new apps, align with those first so you don't hit roadblocks mid-setup. And that's it. You went to QuickBooks, opened the integrations area, searched for Salesforce, selected Salesforce Connector by QuickBooks, reviewed plan requirements, and clicked Get Integration Now to begin. Thanks for watching, and happy syncing.